Last year, in October 2022, I taught in a spoken English institute. Now, there, obviously, I was teaching spoken English. So, there, I came across one student. She was married and had kids. She was a homemaker. Now, she did not know English at all. She told me. She told me that she could not make even a single sentence in English. So she is struggling with this English language since long. But yes, she could speak two sentences. My name is, I am from. These two sentences. So with time, when I started to teach her, I noticed that she could understand my English. Like whenever I would ask her something or tell her or guide her in English, she would understand it little bit. Now when I asked her one day that I speak and you understand, how come you can't speak at all? She told me that she could understand what others talk, but she cannot speak at all. Hello everyone, this is Surbhi and you're watching me on Easy Learning with Surbhi. Just now, I was telling you all the story of that girl. Okay, so according to her, she did not know how to speak. But if you ask me, in my opinion, it is not about how to speak or I don't know what to speak. It's about I don't want to speak. Yes, which means that you don't want to try speaking since you haven't spoken since long or since your childhood. You think that you won't be able to speak at all. See, it's not about her, okay? It's not about her. According to me, she presents all those beginners who think that we won't be able to talk in English because of whatever reason. We don't have English speaking environment, or we studied in Hindi medium school, or whatsoever reason. I believe that English language is one of the easiest languages to speak in our India. Why? Because we are surrounded with English, guys. Okay? Messages we receive on our phone, English. You go to market, you read the signboards and you read the other boards, all are in English. You understand it. Basically, English is everywhere. The point here is you don't want to take that one step to start speaking in English. So what you think that since I haven't talked in English in my life, now I won't be able to speak at all. Basically, I don't know how to speak at all. It's not that you don't know how to speak, it's that you don't try to speak. Okay, now, Surbhi, it is very easy to say that, okay, we don't want to try. Fine, but even if we try, what do we speak? We really don't know what to speak. Good question. Okay, so here is a solution, guys. Listen to this very carefully. And wait, before I move on, have you liked this video? Have you subscribed to my channel? If you haven't, then please do it, and please do comment in the comment section that if you find my videos really useful, I'll continue to make videos related to English. But if you want me to bring some other kind of content like related to communication skills, do write that in the comment box, guys. Everything is for free, okay? And subscribe to my channel. Okay, now moving on to the method. Now this method is specially for all the beginners and for all those people who have been trying to say something, have been trying to speak something in English, but somehow they always failed. Somehow they are not able to build sentences. So how to do that? Okay, the first thing is start speaking up the words. Words like you are standing in your bedroom. What do you see in your bedroom? Name those words in English, like bed, window, frame, windows. No, wait, I said the windows. Wait. No windows. Okay, curtain, door, television. Right, these are the words you have picked up and you have spoken. Okay, like you have to speak up, guys. Now, moving on to the next step. After naming all these words, start building sentences by picking one word. For example, I give you two words. One, I, and the second word is television. Now try to build sentence, just 3 or 4 words. Like the first one, I watch television every day. I watch movies on television. Okay, let's change it a little bit. My television is of black color. Uh, I bought this television last year. See, just now we spoke 4 sentences. Now, this is indeed a big deal for all those people who don't even speak even a single sentence. See, use this method. This is very useful, and that's what I do. I apply it on my all those students who really don't know English at all. So, my dear listeners, the thing is that you know English, but you don't try to speak up. Now use this method and try speaking. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. Stay tuned, keep watching my videos. Ta-da!